and welcome to Finextra. I'm Emily Haller at Payments UK's Cybersecurity and Fraud Seminar, and I'm joined by Maurice Cleaves of Payments UK. Thanks very much, Maurice. So you've led Payments UK through a successful transition from the Payments Council. What was the reason for this, and what is the role of Payments UK?
Payments is a network industry. The reason for the change is that a new regulator was established by the government, the Payment Systems Regulator, and therefore some of the self-regulatory powers that were there at Payments Council previously were no longer required. What was required, and what was very clear from our membership, was that the collaboration that we do within the industry for many things within payments was as needed going forward as it had been in the past. So things like the current account switch service, things like PayM, the mobile payment activity, were things that Payments Council had done before, and those are important for the future. We've issued a report called World Class Payments, which shows ways that the payment system in the UK can be improved, and we expect to advance those through our new membership through Payments UK.
What aspect of cybersecurity worries you the most?
I think the worry is that what we're essentially dealing with in payments is national infrastructure. It's the backbone for commerce in the UK. Any cyber attack in that environment can affect the running of the UK and business within the UK, and therefore it's critical that we put resources against that to address the cyber attacks and to address the issue.
And how well do you think banks are doing in tackling cybercrime?
I think it's a lot of it is how you might measure that. In terms of money being spent, I think they're doing very well. In terms of how the organisation of the various different groups come together, I think we're doing better. But I think there's definitely a case for more to do in that space.
With so many fintech startups and payment providers on the scene, does this raise the risk of cyber attacks on these new companies?
I don't think in itself a growing market in payments will have an effect of cyber attacks. Cyber attacks go to the weakest point. That's where the issue might be. That unless everybody who's in the payment market, and of course the changes in the payments market as a result of regulation will allow new players in. Yes, they'll be regulated, but they will be smaller. As a result, they'll probably have less resource to put against this issue, and that's where the problem may come. And therefore it's important that we set a minimum standard bar by which everybody abides, and to ensure that we keep the whole infrastructure safe.
Maurice, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.